Picture this. It is 8 a.m. on a Monday morning in a commercial office building in downtown Houston. Tenants are arriving for the workday. The elevator goes out of service. The building manager calls your company. Phone rings 4 times, someone answers. They take the report and say a tech will be dispatched. No estimated arrival time given. The building manager goes back to their tenants. 40 minutes pass, no update. They call back. Different person answers. That person has to check where the tech is. Another 5 minutes on hold. The tech arrives an hour and 15 minutes after the initial call. The repair takes 45 minutes. Total downtime, just over 2 hours during peak morning traffic. The building manager files that experience mentally, not as a complaint, not yet, just as a data point. Now here is what most elevator company owners do not realize about that data point. Building managers talk to each other. They talk to property management colleagues. They talk at industry association meetings. And when one of them says, "We switched elevator companies last year and our response time went from 90 minutes to 35 minutes, everyone in that conversation starts thinking about their own provider. In today's U.S. property management market, response time is the primary driver of contract renewal decisions. Not price, not technical quality, response time. Because from the building manager's perspective, elevator uptime is their responsibility to their tenants. When the elevator goes down, every minute of delay is a minute their tenants are experiencing a failure that reflects on the property manager. So they measure their elevator service company by how fast the problem goes away, not by how technically skilled the repair was. Here is what is happening inside your dispatch process that is creating the delay. When a service call comes in, someone in your office starts calling through the list of available field techs. That process depends on who answers their phone, who is close to the job, who has capacity. There is no live visibility on where your team actually is. No automated routing to the nearest qualified tech. Just phone calls until someone picks up. In a busy operation with 8 to 15 mechanics in the field, this process routinely takes 20 to 45 minutes. And during those 20 to 45 minutes, your building manager is watching the clock. ElevatorPlus changes this completely. When a service call is logged, the system identifies the nearest available qualified field mechanic based on live GPS location, current job status, and skill match. Dispatch is completed in under 3 minutes. The building manager receives an automatic notification confirming dispatch and showing an estimated arrival time. As the mechanic travels to the site, status updates flow automatically. Arrival, start of work, parts needed, job complete. Every update reaches the building manager without a single manual phone call. The entire experience communicates one thing: this company has its operation under control, and that consistency is what turns service calls into renewed contracts. If your current response times are not where they need to be, schedule your strategy call today. Link is in the description. In this market, the fastest response is not just an operational metric, it is your most effective sales tool.